Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what's about to happen or expected in the month of April. Okay, so as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are the messages for you for the month of April. So Aries, we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, Temperance, the Hangman, the Three of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. Sorry, the Queen of Cups. So Aries, what I feel is that you have something on your mind. You are ready to offer, if whatever this is for you, it is some sort of a offer which you are planning to make. It can be an emotional offer, though it can be a love offer, but it is something which is stable and committed. But the thing is that what I feel is that you have that on your head, but you are not making any fast move or an active move it. Even if it is there, it is very, very slow. But yes, some sort of something is there in your heart or in your mind, whatever it is. If it is in your heart, then it is something which you are wanting to commit or offer, is something really stable. Okay, so there is something stable which you want to offer or you want to move towards. Okay, it can be emotional or it can be professional, whatever it is. It can be on your love front or professional front. But with the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel is this is the time which you are taking to still contemplate on whatever it is. So you are not rushing in towards whatever it is. Or it can be that you are waiting, you are ready with it, and you are just waiting for some sort of a right time or the right opportunity or the right time to make a move. But yes, your eyes are definitely on a new beginning. You really want to move in towards a new beginning, which is there with the Ace of Wands, and you are just ready to move towards it. So what I want to say is there is something which you want to move towards, but you are taking the time to contemplate and review about it. Okay, so here what I feel is, though there is an opportunity, there is a new beginning over here, but you are very wisely thinking and contemplating about the things, and I should say you are even balancing these things. Okay, so to me it is looking like a wise decision, that you are just weighing the pros and cons and not making any impulsive move, I should say. And with the Ace of Wands, there is definitely a new beginning which is being offered to you or which is coming in, and this is something which you are really passionate about. Okay, and here we have the Temperance, the Hangman, and the Three of Cups. So what I feel here is this is a situation. Somehow what I feel is, though there is a new beginning over here, but there is something which you are moderating, and there is something which you are trying to still sort out or balance. There is some sort of balance which is being made in the situation by you, but the thing is, the things are still not moving forward as such with the Hangman. You're trying to have a clearer perspective on the situation, but things are stuck, nothing is moving forward. So what I feel is, even though the opportunity is there, but still things are just not rolling forward. Things are not, as I should say, maybe as good as you thought they were. It can be as simple as that. But what I feel here is that things are moving very slow, and they're so slow, it's nearly a stagnant type of an energy, and you are trying to balance yourself or balance this situation, whatever it is. So the thing is that though there is a new beginning, things are just not moving very forward. But yes, with the Three of Cups, there is you are I do see you enjoying with your family and friends, and you are able to focus on yourself with the Nine of Pentacles. So I don't know what aspect this is in your life, but there is no action much over here. That's what, in spite of a new beginning being there, I really don't see any much movement forward in the direction, except with the Three of Cups, that yes, there is some sort of a reunion, maybe with old friends, or something like that, or maybe it is just that you are celebrating with them and enjoying having a good time with your family and friends. With the Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Queen of Cups, what I feel is, with the Nine of Pentacles, you are definitely focusing on your own self. You're alone, focusing on yourself. And with the Nine of Cups here, you feel to be emotionally satisfied. So what I feel here is with the Queen of Cups again being there. So maybe you are not ready to share your cups. So actually the entire reading is something like that, that you are, even if since you're working here on your own self with the Nine of Pentacles, and maybe you are being successful in that, in some sort of a emotional balance or emotional achievement. So whatever you are focusing on yourself for, it can be you're healing yourself, you're taking a break, it's all about yourself, okay, focusing on yourself, and you're pretty happy with that, okay, you are content, your emotions are satiated, you are really happy with whatever it is, because you are really focused on working on your own self. And with the Queen of Cups again being there, there is something you are definitely emotional about. But again, what I feel is things, it's like everything is there, but things are not moving ahead. It's something like that. You can see the opportunity, you see there is some emotion over here for somebody, if it is a person or something, but everything is there, but things are just not moving forward. Something, it's, I'm getting like that. And maybe at some point in time you are content by focusing on yourself. Maybe you are content with that. So I really don't see any major action forward, any movement forward as such, apart from the fact that you are happy after focusing and regaining the power and the emotional stability after focusing on yourself. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Aries. Okay, yes, we have the Eight of Diamonds. So it is like the comfort which you are getting after working since so long. So there is a situation you've been working hard on, and you are now feeling comfortable in that situation. So now that is what it is. There is not much move forward, as I said, except small celebrations and party times with your family and or friends. But yes, you are mainly focused on, I think, some sort of an emotional stability which you want, and you are keeping your emotions to yourself, and you are pretty happy and content with that. It is something like that. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels over here. Manifest your dreams. Number one may be of some significance for you. You are ready to go. There is no need for additional preparation. Take the first step towards the changes you desire, even if they are small steps. Notice the signs that guide you in the right direction, as well as resources and support that miraculously appear. So maybe this is the time, as it is coming up here also, that you are moving, even if you are taking small steps, they are the right steps. So maybe that is that, maybe this phase of your life is that phase of your life when you really need to go slow. It can be as simple as that, Aries. But the main thing is that whatever even if the things are not progressing forward fast, you are ultimately emotionally content because you are focusing on your own happiness. That's what I feel. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.